Welcome knitters! Today I would like to introduce a knitting project I'm currently working on. A bride ordered this, and suiting to this very cold weather here in Germany at least, I'm knitting a rather warm model. It's called Snowball. It's very fluffy, and I knit this with fluffy wool from Beaugency. I will show you the colors I have. I have pale blue, juice, cream. It's rather a strong cream, but very nice if you have a cream colored dress or skirt. A light rosé, and this is the color I'm using at the moment. It's white, but not a pure white. It's a rather like off-white or ivory. And this bolero is quite easy to knit. You start with rib pattern for a few centimeters. It's about 10 centimeters. And when you change to garter stitch pattern and increase stitches. Now I've done already, I think, a quarter of it. It's knitted in one piece from one sleeve to the other, and you need between 9 and 11 balls depending on the size you would like to knit. In this case I added another yarn. It's a merino yarn because the customer asked me to have it even warmer. So you can do it if you like as well, so it gets warmer and bigger. You might as well knit it with two yarns hold together with the same yarn, so 2 balls of this one. In this case you might need to recalculate it, or it's getting bigger. I think this wouldn't matter with this bolero because it's supposed to be quite or rather loose. Yes, so what else to say to this? Oh yes, the time you need, if you like to know, it takes about 12 hours to knit it. So you would need a couple of afternoons or evenings for this, but it's quite easy to knit. You can knit this with only some experiences. And you need needle size number 6, and when you can start knitting. I offer this one as the most of my instruction and knitting sets in German and English, and you could order the knitting instruction only or the knit set with wool, and if you like you can add the knitting needles as well. I will add the links to all of this in the box, as well as the model, so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. And I will finish this one within next week and send it to the future bride, so she can have it in time and will be sure she has this one already. Yes, so if you like to know how long it takes to be delivered, in Germany the knitting boxes will be sent within a day. In Europe it takes, in my experience, in best cases 4 days, and overseas like USA it takes about 14 days. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, but 14 days, it's a kind of delivery average time. I have a couple of customers ordering from overseas, so far it always gets there, and you might like to knit this even if you are very far away. I would be happy if you liked this knitting project and would like to knit this as well. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please like this video if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.